Hey guys, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't. It'd really help us out. A few people have asked for some tips in upgrading their E15. So first you want to take all the screws loose around the edges, and then there are pop clips. The screws are retained so they won't come out. I usually start at a front corner and try to get my fingernails inside in this gap right here between the body and the bottom. And then you kind of want to just pry up. You do want to pry outward, so you do want to go kind of this way to not break clips. And so you're just going to go all the way around. If it's difficult, just try a different corner or try another direction. I'd already popped the other ones out, so that's easy. As far as upgrading RAM, if you've never done this, you might want to consult a professional or have a friend that has help you. But you just move these little ears out of the way and the stick comes out this way. See the little notch that's off center to orient it? To install it, you just want to stick it all the way down till it's fully seated and then push this way. If it resists at all, then you didn't do something right. And then as far as the drive upgrade, I still have the spinning drive in here still connected, but we're just going to take this screw out. And then I've got a nice Samsung Evo Plus 500 gig that we're going to install. The only problem I've run into is this wire right here can get a little bit in the way. And you see the whole assembly kind of moves when you push it. You want to get the key in there correctly, much like the RAM. And then come down. You can come off to the side a little and then slide it that way to help orient. Then you just got to put the screw in to retain it. And then you'd be ready to go. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you know anything about this computer that I don't, I'm always glad to learn something new. Thanks.